Hello everyone, myself Dr. Vineet Karant, consulting physiotherapist at Zen Multi-Speciality Hospital. During this pandemic, it has been observed that there is an increase in the number of patients coming with neck pain. Neck pain is a very common complaint among people who are working in wrong posture, in continuous sitting or standing position. Most of them being the IT professionals, teachers, students, surgeons, dentists, and nurses. The neck muscles are strained due to wrong sitting or standing posture while working on a computer or mobile, while performing surgery, or while writing. Today, we will be seeing some basic exercises which one can incorporate in your daily lifestyle to avoid this neck pain. Now I will be demonstrating a few exercises which you can do at your workstation at your office. Okay. So the first exercise is gentle stretches which you can do. First you have to just bend your neck forward. Hold it in this position for a count of 5 and then gently bring in the same position straight up. Then gently take your head backwards. Hold it in this position for a count of 5 and gently bring it straight. You can repeat this exercise for 10 times. Then rotating your head sideways on the right side, holding it in this position for a count of 5 and then bringing it to the center. Same way on the left side, holding it in this position for a count of 5 and then bringing it to the center. Same way you can do this exercise for 10 repetitions. And then the side flexion, just tilting your head sideways. You don't have to lift your shoulders up, just keep the shoulders relaxed while doing this exercise. Hold it in this position for a count of 5 and then bring it to the center. Same way doing it on the opposite side, holding it for a count of 5 and bringing it to the center. Same way you have to perform this exercise for a set of 10. Then next exercise is you have to just gently apply some overpressure. When you feel that your neck muscles are tight continuously while walking, so there are some stretches which you can perform. Suppose if you feel the tightness on your right side, you have to do this exercise. Just place the right hand underneath your thigh, okay? Place your left hand near the ear of the right side. Just gently stretch your neck on the opposite side. Let your right shoulder just relax under your thigh. Hold this stretch for a count of 30 and then relax, bring it to the same position. So this way you can perform for the other side also, just placing the other side on the opposite side. Here the positioning is very important. Just hold the stretch for a count of 30 and then bring it to the center position. And now the next stretch is for the levator muscles. You have to just place suppose if you want to stretch the right side, just place the right hand behind your shoulder, just tilt your head, look down on the opposite thigh and then keep your left hand behind your head and just pull it down. Just you feel the good stretch at the back of your base of your spine.